Hey guys, I'm Andy.
And I'm Justin.
And today we're going to make some royalty-free original ringtones. Let's head to the studio.
Yeah, let's go.
We don't me mama mama we.
Ooh. Not a human.
Picking up the phone, better pick it up soon. Ringtone's gonna end and you're gonna get a voicemail. Don't wanna listen to the voicemail.
Fun fact number 1. A dozen is 12. Fun fact number 2. A baker's dozen is 13. Fun fact number 3. All emperor penguins in the wild live in Antarctica. Zip, zap, zop, zip, zap, zop, zip. Oh, zap, zop, zop. I said zop. Zip.
This might be your mother. 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 I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there.
Time for bed. Time to go to sleep. Everyone ready to go to bed? Hear that? NyQuil time. Melatonin time. Who wants a double dose tonight? Time for bed.
Cut that shit out. Cut it out. Cut that shit out. Cut it out.
Sorry. I thought I could have sworn I put this on silent earlier. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to disturb everyone.
So beautiful.
Do you hear that? Those are mine. Thanks for watching, you guys. We hope you like the ringtones. Feel free to download them and share with your friends.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and call us.
Feel free to throw us a ring. We don't have a lot of people to talk to, especially Justin. When was the last time you had a phone call with someone?
Just the other one.
The other what?
The other one?
Other day?
I get calls, Andy.
Okay.